Hey guys, so today, snap, I just dropped my phone. So today we're going to be making some slime. I got some slime ingredients that we're going to be using today. And don't mind the people in the background. So now we're just going to place you guys here. And let's get started. So these are all my slime stuff. I put all my slime, like my glue, my glitters, my foam balls, and I got my activator and my baking soda. Got my big bowl and spoon. And so we're just going to get started. So we're going to put the activator and the baking soda to the side. I'm going to show you guys what I got in this. And I got some modeling clay. It's going to be white. And I also have modeling clay purple. I got some pink, purple, and white foam balls. I really don't know what this is. I just got it for my birthday. My mom gave it to me. It's not glitter. It kind of looks like sand, but I'm not going to say it is. Instant snow. Some paints. Some of these little bead things, I guess. Some different kinds of glitter. This one's gold. Here's some more of that sand stuff. Some baby blue glitter. Some sprinkles. These are really cute. I like them. I might even use this today. I also got some scent. It's blue raspberry. We're going to be using that in the slime. Got some red glitter, some orange fall color glitter. I don't remember what this is. I'm not going to use that because I do not know what it is. So I'm not going to try. Some purple glitter. Some stars. Those are cute. And some green glitter. And I also got a spoon in here for my other slime supplies. Oh, and I also got these. So these ones are super cute. They're big and chunky flakes. So we're going to be using probably making a clear slime mixed with a colorful slime. So we're going to probably do, actually I want to try to make like a, I don't really know what color I'm going to go for. So I might even use a white glue. Matter of fact, I'm just going to make a clear glitter slime. I'm going to make it kind of look like this. So I got some green glue, some black glitter glue, some other black glitter glue, some purple clear glue, and 3 bottles of white glue and 2 bottles of clear glue. So now we're going to just use the clear glue, and we're going to pick out what we want to do. Matter of fact, if I'm going to do the butter slime, I'm going to do it a white. So I'm going to need 2 bottles of white glue. So we're going to switch those out for 2 bottles of white glue. Now we're going to pick my sprinkles or whatever I want to put with the clay. I don't need that. I think I'm going to use some stars, maybe, and a color. So now we're going to put all the ones I'm not going to use back in my container so then I do not get it all mixed up. So we're going to be using some modeling clay. This is white modeling clay. One of these colors, which I have to decide. And some gold, plain gold glitter, and some gold stars. And 2 white glues. And some blueberry scent. Sorry. Okay. We won't need the clay until later. So now we're going to get started. We're going to get the bowl and get ready to do this. So here we go. If this is not enough glue, then I'm going to just get another bottle. I used to always have the big pounce like this one, but that one is for school. So I'm just going to spill the rest of this in here. And yeah. So all this stuff that I got that I'm making with the slime today is the ones that my mom bought me for my birthday. Now I have to get all of this out. I don't know how I'm going to do that, because it's kind of hard. I'll try to get more of it out if I do not have enough from my other glue. This one actually came with the kit. So now let's just plop it in here. Heather, stop. Okay. Guys, so we're gonna keep doing this. It's hard to get them out though. There's still a lot in it because it's really heavy. Brownie just dragged his butt on the ground.
That's what you tell the people on there?
I don't really care.
Oh my god.
Brownie, why you drag your ball on my ground?
When my dog did that, this is what they told me he had.
He just didn't wipe his butt properly.
He didn't use baby wipes.
He didn't use baby wipes. Okay, so now this is kind of box of glue. I'm gonna add some more glue in there. Got another white glue. This one's half. So I hope I have a big container for this. Okay, so that's about enough. I'm not gonna use all of it though. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour a little bit of the baking soda, about a pinch. A big pinch, to be exact. Now we're just gonna mix it all around. Now it's time for the scent, I think. I'm gonna put this in. My spoon just went in the thing. Okay, now we're just gonna drop the scent in there. They didn't give you much scent with the slime. It's not scented at all because I just put a little bit and it's all glue scented. Oh, it actually smells like blueberries now. I know, but now I can smell it after I mixed it. Oh, I got a good one. Okay, so I'm gonna be using. I forgot to get my little spoon thing down here. This it's a Poopsie spoon. I'm just gonna use that to get the color out. So I gotta pick what color I want. What color would go good with these? Yellow. I'm gonna do yellow because I'm gonna do a butter slime. So I'm gonna make it look like actual butter with gold stuff in it. The spoon will not fit in there. How is that even possible? Okay. So now we're just going to take the spoon off. Kind of looks like mustard. But we're going to show you guys after I'm done mixing it. The actual spoon just went in. What am I going to do about that? Okay. Now we're just going to spill all the paint. Not all of it though. Majority of it.
You bored?
Okay, so now we're just going to put this to the side. That it will not ruin nothing. It's good though. It's kind of like a light yellow. So now we're just going to mix this all up. And it's kind of a yellow. It might need more dye in it. But we're going to do it. And what we're gonna do.
No, I didn't.
She what?
No, I didn't.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't.
Okay. So now since I put a little bit more yellow in there, now we're going to mix it. And y'all can see what color this actually is. Okay, let me get you guys to come over here. So, oh, y'all can barely even see that. It looks plain white on the camera, but it's actually yellow. So maybe I should make it a different color because y'all cannot see it. Oh, it's like yellow. See, I even used all the color. I don't know why y'all cannot see it though. So I'm just gonna put you guys back down there so that I can fix this slime. I'm just gonna say this. I'm gonna use some orange because it's gonna make it a color at least. Because the yellows to not like make it bright enough. So. Okay, so now.
Meow.
Now.
What the fuck is meow?
Now.
Okay, one sec. That's what.
Meow, meow. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some orange in there. So it's gonna be like a vibrant color. I hope. I don't know what a vibrant color is.
And next you want to put your socks on?
Shut up, Heather.
Lasagna. It's cute.
That's you. You've been a good girl.
What?
You've been a good girl.
You know you're being recorded too on a hotline.
On a hotline. I'm not going back, so if y'all cuss, I'm still posting it.
I mean, not.
Shit, my nigga.
Shut up! Okay, so it's like a vanilla color.
Yay!
That is so cool. So now,
Somebody's gonna say that's racist because it was now like a white color. Someone's gonna throw shade in your comments.
I don't care. Okay, so
See, I had to put on my shoes.
now I'm gonna add in the regular gold glitter.
And don't have to go
I had to bite it with my teeth because I do not have no scissors with me.
Until we did it.
Ooh, that's so pretty. Guys, you have to look at this. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Don't share.
Look how pretty that is.
Oh my god!
Okay, so now we're gonna add in the stars. I got some stars in my mouth, but so pretty, so pretty, pretty, pretty. So this is gonna be like a gold slime, and so yeah, we're gonna just put you guys back. I'm actually gonna put you closer.
That was smelling yours.
Okay, shut up.
So what? I was in my shoes.
Over there in that green bucket, right there by that glitter. No, up here. Right there, where your finger is. See that scraper?
Okay, so it's like a color, I guess. Okay, so now I'm gonna start activating it.
Well, I thought she said she was gonna start acting.
I just put some new color in it. I just put some more orange in it to make it more brighter. I want it to be like a gold, so
I gotta find me
that's what I'm going for. It looks like cookies and cream. I really like it, but with the gold plate.
the bottle glue. The little bottle glue. In that big green thing.
'Kay.
Up there on the second shelf.
So
No, second shelf up. Right there.
I'm gonna add
No,
some more
over
glue in
one.
there. I'm gonna add some
All
clear.
there. Bring that here.
Okay, so I added some clear to make it
That is
more
all my paint.
pop, I guess I want to say. To make it more. Okay, so here it is. It's all mixed up, and so now we're just going
The only thing
to
I don't have.
finish mixing the color in because, well, there's still some color in there. Okay, so now we're going to add, my spoon just fell in. So now we're going to add the activator since I already had the baking soda at the first time. You always add little by little because if you add too much then it's going to be over activated. And I whisk it, so. Okay, so we're just going to keep mixing this bowl, I guess. I like to put a lot at first so then I would only have to put a little bit later. Looks like, what was that? Okay, so it looks like glue now. It looks like actually slime. Sort of getting that way, actually. She just moved my table. Okay,
That's what I
so
just
it's
did.
not mixing as well as I thought, so we're just going to put some more baking soda in there. Probably put a little bit. If it's not activating after you put some activator in it, just add some more baking soda and it will work perfectly fine.
Look at that
Like,
one.
this is actually working now. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so now we're going to add some more activator.
Same color as what I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like whenever I mix it. That's how you know that it's getting there to the right consistency. So we're just gonna, let me put you guys back on this camera thing angle. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, we're gonna add just a very tiny bit more. I'm gonna go in with my hands.
So can get it on the lettering and shit.
I never go in with
I
my
have
hands.
15 minutes.
No,
I mean,
I don't know. More than 15 though.
maybe 25,
30, more like 30.
30.
So I'm going in with my hands. I don't like this though. I don't like how y'all cannot see me that well. Ooh, that's good. This is the borax that I'm using. I got it from Walmart. Came with 2 in a package for like $10, I think. I'm not for sure. This looks like snot. Heather.
Ew.
It feels nice. I don't want to make not. I'm just trying to get it all off my hands to make it a good slime that I can add the, should I add the purple one or the white one? I think I'm going to add the white one probably. I'll probably add the purple one to see what color it will turn into with, like an orangish, yellow, whitish color. No, it's like a gold, but not like a bright gold to me. And
Yeah, no. You know,
so now we're just gonna finish making
Oh, my
this.
thing's out on the ground.
What thing?
There, light.
Oh my god, it's all
This is like a goldish mustard color. It might not look like that, but I'm trying to make it
khaki color.
a tacky.
Khaki, like a pants khaki.
Khaki.
Like a kid's school uniform pants.
Okay, so khaki color, as
Khaki pants.
Heather says. It's kind of good. It's turning good.
I mean, okay.
Who?
Oprah.
She was calling it like a puppy, and it was actually a cat.
No.
So weird.
I
Okay.
call it like that.
What?
Call like a cat.
Like a dog?
Yeah.
And I thought Brownie was outside. Because if I find them, don't come in. Like,
I wasn't knowing my brand dogs
Send me
outside.
photos, pictures,
My little brand dogs.
oh, you can't see my face. Sorry about that. You're gonna make slime, Brownie.
Go over there and give me one paper towel and that alcohol. Easy.
Okay, so the time is turning out good. I just need a very tiny touch, little pinch of borax again. Maybe not. I don't really know. I'm just gonna. That's funny. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on my table. So let's get started.
Where's my saloon gate on?
Okay, so I'm gonna put them on the table just in case, because I do not want it to stick on my table. But like it won't. I don't think it will. I want you guys to see this slime though. My phone fell. I'm so sorry. It's not y'all.
You better get her.
Yeah. She did a hard part
She gonna get her ass beat.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the
Get ready.
butter slime.
Let's get freaking trouble.
You're about to freaking get outside. Okay.
She's acting like she's writing on there over here.
Go like this and then turn around real fast and it's like it's ready right now.
Okay, so this is the slime.
Little girl, little ass girl.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the.
And then what do you think I'm booking? Oh no. Because you've been hard.
So now I gotta try to find the clay. Okay, here it is. So here it is. Shut up! I'm filming a video. Okay. Do what you say. You can go to bed now.
I said no.
Exactly. Okay. So now what you do is you have to massage it
I wanna massage it.
to make it a good texture. I hope the slime looks really good with this on there, because this is kind of like a y'all might think it's like, it looks like in the camera it looks like an orange yellow color, but it's like a very, very light orange yellow color. So technically, yeah, like a khaki, as she calls it. So now we're just gonna massage this out so that it'd be soft enough to put in the slime, because you're supposed to always, no, Brownie, always massage your clay before you put it in your slime so that it doesn't turn hard on you. So
See that baby toe?
I'm gonna put some to the side and put the rest over there. I'm gonna try it on that piece. See how well it works.
Yeah.
I got most of it.
So now we're gonna add this in, and we're just gonna spread it out. Okay. I hope it's like a really pretty color, or like a purple at least. It needs more clay. I meant more slime into it. It's taking over the clay. Slime is taking over. I mean, this clay is taking over.
When it you
So here's that. So I'm gonna put that to the side.
Smear it.
So comment down below, do you think that I just put too much clay in this one? I think so too. This is like butter slime, so I like it.
Man, who are you talking to? Viewers?
So now we're gonna put this part in the slime. So I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna do it. Okay, so let's do this thing. I hope it's really soft and squishy, because I really don't want it to be hard. Okay, now I just pushed it in there, and look how cool this part is. That is so freaking cool.
Yes, I do.
So now we're gonna mix it.
don't have enough
There's like so many, like I can like pinch this. Okay, so you can watch me mix this all up. I don't know, the slime might take over because there's a lot of slime. But I don't know, what's it called? Clay can take over. I really don't know. We're gonna find out. Oh wow, that is so pretty, swirl. Look at that swirl, guys. That is so cool. I like how I can just like take that and I can just pinch it. I like how it looks like a, so as you can see that there are some little stars in there. At least you can tell that there's something in there. Now we're gonna put this in there. It's like a lot brighter than the regular slime.
The reason why this
is my mother playing with slime.
Still rough.
And this is how mothers play with slime. This is how I play with slime.
Probably the end. I'm gonna say that should be the end of it, but I'm sure.
So it's a good slime. It's stretchy. I don't know about butter yet, so we're gonna test that out with my trusty dusty finger. That is slime. It's a butter slime. It's officially butter slime. It's not gonna be just slime. Good butter slime. But it's butter slime. It's super duper cute. I like it. Look how pretty that is. Okay, but yeah. Thanks for watching. I am finally done with the beautiful, supposed to be gold, but it turned into purple slime. But yeah.